Welcome to this session on conflict and negotiation. Conflict is a difficult topic, and why are we dedicating an entire class to this? It's because it's pervasive. It's so important that we know and learn how to deal with conflict better. Conflict is all around. The students that I'm talking with most of the time will say it's great and best to avoid conflict. In fact, many of them have spent their entire life until then to learn strategies how to avoid it, which is difficult and makes management very hard. So one of the main points in this section will be to help you understand that conflict is natural, that conflict is occurring every day in all kinds of forms, some less important, some less drastic, some more. And knowing how to address them is going to be critical in your ability to be an effective manager, to communicate your way through conflict, to honor yourself and your dignity and the dignity of others in the process. This is very tough. This is an art. So what we're going to look at is a number of ways of how to address conflict, strategies how you can deal with conflict, how you can negotiate and honor the dignity of yourself and others, and then be effective in a way to manage a team. Just this morning, I woke up to an email, and many of you probably have too, that sort of my co-author sent, and it did upset me because she had not done as she had promised, and already we have the source of conflict. So I'm sharing with you that this is something that is just pervasive. It happens every day. It happens to everyone. So don't be scared. Don't think it's only because of you, but actually this is a human feature. We're all different as we learned, and we're all similar in some way as we learned. But those differences and those similarities, they oftentimes get mixed up because we have different schedules, we have different time pressures, we have different priorities. Sometimes conflicts occur. Sometimes they occur because we have different personalities, different learning styles, different strengths, different values. Those are harder conflicts. And then there are conflicts that occur because we are the same and we want to be treated the same. And oftentimes in business and in life, we're not treated the same. We're not treated with dignity. We're not treated with the value that we think we should be given in life. And so we lash out. And it's oftentimes difficult to understand why. But people do lash out, especially when they feel their dignity is violated. So this is what we're going to cover. This is what we're going to go through this week. And I hope that after this session, you'll feel more comfortable approaching conflict, dealing with conflict. And just take comfort. I don't think that anybody is perfect at managing conflict. But we can get better. And that's the point of this session.